Look at this one. And look at this one. This is 20 feet of pure pleasure. Look at that. You can't even see back there. You see all those trades? Oh my God, I don't want to go home tonight. There could be $100,000 in toys in this unit right here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, we are here right now about to look in a very exciting unit. We bought one of two units today. It was Storage Stalker. Locker Nuts will be here soon, and Manny as well. We went all in, 1,800 and split this. It was either fight for it or it was team up. Baby. I'm not a greedy man because I was going to win it no matter what. But I said, you know what? Why spend $6,000 when I could just team up with my friend? No offense, friends, but I would have bought it. Just saying.
No offense taken.
Alex, will you back over this way so I can get a good photo for a teaser on my YouTube channel? Okay. And there we go. Now, what is... remember when you said you didn't see train stuff, Alex?
Yeah.
See? See right there?
Scale.
See right here? Large scale caboose, bubble wrapping boxes, Lionel with more room, Search Right, Minutemen cars.
Wells Fargo.
Wagon shop. Everywhere you see was train stuff. Wells Fargo,
Train
Matchbox,
decors.
decanters,
Caboose,
Jim Beam, caboose, Lionel.
Large streams, switches.
Can we look inside? Ooh, what do we got here? Trains, hose scale. The only time you can say ho on YouTube and get away with it.
Hose scale.
When it's followed by scale.
Hose scale.
Let's see something. Should I back my truck up and we have a little table?
Yeah.
Look at the way he blew. G scale, a kiosk.
What's that mean?
Is it light?
Yeah.
I'm gonna guess it's like a little thing that goes on the area, and you set it up, and it's like a kiosk.
Oh, I love that's a good sign right here. Taking care of it. Yep.
Oh yeah, it says kiosk. Ooh, what kind of kiosk is that? That's the lid, so be careful. That's the roof. Be careful how you finger it and put your fat fingers all in there. You know, no one's said anything about our fat fingers lately. When's the last time we heard a comment about our fat little fingers?
Wow.
Ooh, martini.
Nice.
Well taken care of.
The little flag still on the top.
Nice. This is good. It's a good sign. First box out. We got a kiosk. This is something that threw me off right here. Was the fish tanks. I didn't know where to...
You know why they throw me off too much?
Because you didn't even see the trains?
Only a certain amount of people will take a fish tank because fish tank takes a lot of work.
Look at all the damn boxes, bro.
Let's move one and see what the back behind looks like. Oh, that's a big train set right there.
Wales Pico Pola. Never heard of that. Don't mind the name.
Big City?
Livermore?
Pico Polo?
Pico Polo.
Oh, yeah. That. It's a city.
Oh, this is a big little city. Wells Fargo Express office. What scale is this? Because that's not, this is the size of the scale like the LGBs are, huh? What is that, G scale?
I think so.
Yeah, this is big.
It says 1895 on it.
Well, yeah, that's...
These are real stamps on here? They are.
No. They're just little things.
That's fair.
This isn't flea market.
This is one box. Turn around and show your people what you're looking at.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, this is 20 feet of pure pleasure. Look at that. You can't even see back there. You see all those trades? Oh, my God. I don't want to go home tonight.
I wish you would get the trailers.
Dresser clear, railroad lantern. Oh, this is going to be good. Let's see what we got in here. This is a haul. This is just the greatest unit.
Let them pull up $70, whatever they thought there.
$70.
Oh, and the glass is on there.
It's the clear glass, but that's all right.
It goes, anyone out there? Anyone out there?
I just sold one of these on my live, remember? A couple lives ago. But it's good, though. I mean, the problem is, like, I took the red one to Alameda, and I couldn't get $50 at Alameda for it. This is only eBay stuff here. Wow. I swear that I was manifesting the other day because I'm always thinking about what it is, and I've been getting a lot of trains, and then I auctioned off some of the trains that we had on from our unit, and then you were looking at trains, right? Yeah. Do you see how you bring that stuff to life, and all of a sudden I wanted a unit full of trains and railroad stuff? That is a model of yesteryear. It's a special edition, though. Those are usually models of yesteryears are not usually pretty good. But I want to see what it is. Want to pull it out? We got nothing but time. We're gonna be making videos for days. And our slow YouTube friends who are not here yet.
They're not excited with us.
No, they want
They
to
must be rich already or
Yeah,
something.
it must be nice to...
Or you know what? They're getting comfortable with YouTube and they're in the beginning stages.
Yeah, rookies.
Ooh.
That is pretty nice. Look at the quality and the craftsmanship on that.
He even got a little picture of mountains on the little picture.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ooh!
This goes to the train we had. The other one, just the body.
The Texas Special, maybe.
Oh, look how they're all just... Oh my Lord Jesus. Look at that. With the little guy in it, the little horses in it. Oh, you know what this does? I think they come out when it goes. Their heads pop out.
Bob and head, yeah. That makes sense. Oh my goodness, Becky.
Look at her train.
They are so big.
Oh, that's heavy.
This is a whole set, right?
It's a whole set. It's the whole get down. Oh.
What?
What is that? Oh, what is that?
Well, we're skipping.
We are skipping.
Skippy McSkipster here.
I am so sorry, but this one looks very...
Don't break the other... Ladies and gentlemen, he's destroying $10,000 in trains to get to the bottom one.
Ooh. Look at him.
The Milwaukee Road. That one's a good one.
It's both... Oh.
That, I would say, is $300. Just
Look at this.
Oh, he took them apart because he didn't want to damage them.
Oh, my God.
I'm scared of you touching those.
Don't be scared. I got a little bit of knowledge in this type of stuff.
I probably taught you that knowledge.
No, I learned self-taught when I found a unit with a bunch of trains in it that I regret to this day how I sold it.
Look at these. Salt and pepper shakers. Ooh, there's an old one here. You want, because those are like war era. Look at that. Oh my. It's missing something.
It's not missing
It's
nothing.
right there in your hand.
It's not missing it.
This thing goes here.
On top.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
It's a light.
It's a light.
Oh my gosh.
It's an eBay light.
3620.
This one you already looked at, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you gotta be careful with that. I know, electric trains.
It's not that expensive. $30.
Yeah, but that's like it makes this almost $1,000 box though, right?
Yeah.
Look at all these little pieces, ladies and gentlemen. Great Northern, Western Pacific, the Texas Special. This one right here seemed like a very rare train. That one's tight. I showed that already. I think this one right here seems like it's going to be a really good one. And then he took it apart. See, my thought is he took it apart, so he really cared about that one more. I don't get excited often.
I don't either.
Look at this. Look at this.
Holy crap. Holy
Holy moly donuts?
Holy moly.
Holy moly donuts.
Holy moly train shot.
Woo.
Yeah, baby.
I want to get in this one next. I want to get in this one next. I want to get in all these next. Oh my Lord. This is very promising.
Very promising. Man, we already made our money back already.
We didn't even spend that much.
Nothing.
I hope they got an empty truck. I say we might as well just, everybody has to bring home trains and we got to start listing. This one right here, I could tell is going to be a good box. Minimum 75, upwards of $300 without looking.
For this box?
Yeah. It's a one singular item. Be the good one. Be the good one.
What are we looking for?
I don't know. It's a railroad lantern. Okay, that is a plant stand. Right? This is a purse?
It's the light. It's red.
Ooh. Is that all that's in there? Oh, it's... So they clickbaited us. That's a vase. Yeah, it's just... That's nothing as fancy.
Pyrex.
Oh, that just changed everything. Made in USA. It's a replacement one, huh? Because this doesn't look like it has anything to do with trains. I could be wrong, but what does it say? Pyrex Red.
U.S. Made in USA. Pyrex. Something.
That thing's so rare. There's not even anything that goes with it.
Jack will find what it goes to.
He probably put that there on display. You know, that's a display for that special red glass. That's a booze decanter.
Hmm?
That's the problem when it comes to collectibles. People also buy like the cheap versions of everything. That's like, don't yell at me in the comments, ladies and gentlemen. Say, Pirate, just stop it.
Did we open this already?
No. Steam engine. It feels heavy.
Yeah.
It's an LGB, also 040, and a Lionel steam engine. Come on, 1903. That one's not very pricey, a couple hundred.
Same as this one.
But the same exact thing?
Yeah.
That Lionel though? It said Lionel. That's weird. I don't think Lionel makes G-scale, but I could be wrong.
It's Lionel, I know that. Yeah, look. It's Lionel.
Doesn't seem very expensive to me.
Me neither.
It's got some weight to it. Lionel
5109.
G-scale. This one feels heavy. We actually have this one, I think. That is heavy right there. 281. Some of these could be expensive on the LGBs. Could be 200. They could be like 1,000. LGB 281. Where are our YouTube friends at?
I don't know. They're taking forever.
Jesus. Oh,
Ooh.
those are decent. Is it this unit that smells kind of foul and musty?
Could be, or could be one of us. It's
All
clear
right.
glass.
Look how big it is, though. Is it a Dietz? Nope. It's an Elgin. I like that. Hear ye, hear ye.
Train is now boarding. Be here or be square.
That one's got red.
Red.
I smell YouTubers.
Oh.
No.
Gotcha. This one is it's cracked. It's cracked on the side.
Where?
The glass.
You did that.
Mm-hmm. This little wizard. It's a little wizard.
Look at the level of dust. What's your carbon dating on this? You already know how long it's been here, so look, that's how you tell. That's what 13 years of dust looks like.
That's also what it tastes like.
38 bucks.
Way back then.
You probably just open that one up. All right? Just to get a good idea what it is. Wow.
That's different.
It's a booze decanter, right? So that's what those are gonna be too. This is wicked. Look at all of this though. That was one of the boxes that caught my eyes the most.
Large scale model railroad equipment.
Manny wants to know how Manny messaged and said, how's the unit looking?
Magnificent.
Hold on a second. It's horrible, Manny. I don't know if we're going to make our money back, but I'm willing to buy you out right now if you want.
Video grand.
That's a good... See that foul smell? You smell it?
Yeah, it's this. Smell it. It's when you get like the oldness. That right?
No, I don't know if it's mold coming out of here in a gust of wind, but it smells like water mold to me.
What does something like that go for? Mike, I'm gonna say it. This might be the best unit I ever got.
That's not saying much. I mean, yeah.
That says a lot. The most money we made off one unit was the one where you found them things at.
It's just trains. Everywhere you look is toys and trains. It's nuts. Wow.
I'm gonna say $100 a box.
$100 a box? Like what, every little box?
Yeah, $100.
That's a wrap on my video. If you want to check it out, you're gonna have to see Storage Stalker's gonna have some videos. Locker Nuts, who's late, he had to run to a 5x10 with Manny. They would rather go see another unit than dig in here. Alex and I were professionals. We need to come right here, right now, and assess the situation. There could be $100,000 in toys in this unit right here. You guys know, I don't just say things unless I feel it and I mean it. Granted, sometimes I'm wrong. I'm telling you, if you watch this little bit of stuff right here, there's a few $1,000s in just this little bit we've taken out of this 10x20. It's been sitting for 13 years, over 40, almost 50,000 in rent spent. We sealed the deal, got it for under $2,000, 4-way split. You'll see all the videos. Cross your fingers, and right now I want y'all to think 100,000 plus in trains.